city lights. Yeah, Louis.
And bird shot, why the hell your machine is charging me almost $300 just for using machine? Make sure to come up the last 4 digits of my card, come on, I'm gonna bitches use my card from Amazon. Anyways, our Shein. Look, $6,899, right? When I get the pop-up on my phone, it's saying $7,099. What the fuck? That's almost $300 just to use a machine, bro. I need it back. Never need it back. You have to go down. Alright, so after hours and hours of waiting, I finally got the food from Bird Shack. Let's try it and rate it 1 to 10. Alright, first fries. Feeling tastes good. Yeah. I'm not sure it tastes good. Chicken. Spicy chicken. Let's take a bite. Nice. Chicken sandwich. You know, girl are Indian, so everything spicy. Yeah. I'm gonna gym trainer to this, to that cheat day. So, yeah, pickle, onion, the spicy chicken, tomato, and cheese in it. Let's give it a try. I'm ready 1 to 10. Let's go. You ever see how much the season like the spicy chicken? The bread moist, bread soft and nice. 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 Come make one get zing around me. Feed money, it's nice. This is good. Do it now, but nice. I also have coleslaw. Give that a try. Coleslaw is a no for me. I love coleslaw. Otherwise, the spicy chicken have it's seasoned spicy. I've heard of the spice. The sandwich about either. And the fries, them alright. Out of 10, make it 1. 8.9. Till next time, bye.